What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Got a little small, let's see how we would word this. It's not a it's one of the packages we sell. It's basically our Procharger Tuner kit. So no fancy name for it or anything like that. Just it's a Procharger P1X kit with, we supply Injector Dynamics 1050 injectors. Depending on the car, the rest of the stuff you need for your fuel system on whichever direction you're going to go. This customer wanted to stay on pump gas. He has a 2019 Bullet, so fuel system's decent there, but we go ahead and throw a Boost A Pump on there if they're going to stay on pump gas for a little while. If they're going to go E85, you know, you got to do full return system and everything on there to support that. But this one, like I said, 2019 Bullet, P1X tuner kit from Procharger, the Injector Dynamic 1050s, and I believe we wanted the VMP Boost A Pump on this one. So, you know, all the just basic stuff. The customer installed all this himself. So, you know, we don't only install, we sell parts too, all that kind of stuff. So, you know, any of that stuff you need, hit us up. But he installed it. Then the tuning part of it is a remote session from Beach Dyno. So, you know, we provided him the RTD, got him his tune, everything like that. He went back and forth through the tune process with his idle rev logs, his street logs. He done some small wide open pulls around 5,000 or so in Mexico, I believe. Got those logs sent to him. So basically when it came to us, all it was to get finalized, a couple pulls, a couple, you know, dyno numbers, stuff like that. It's a little easier in a controlled environment to take one of these things to 160, I think it's about 165 mile an hour or so in fourth gear, 7,500. So, you know, he brought that over to us. You know, I'll throw in a few of the dyno videos here, the dyno runs. Sounds good, looks great, you know, finish of the kit's always on point, can't complain about that. And it's a very, very proven system. I mean, you know, it's nice, works well. So dyno numbers as far as that, because I know that's what everybody wants to hear about. So remember, this was on 93 pump gas, and its best pull, which we actually backed it down from this pull, was 725 and 550, and that was on about 10, right at 10 pounds of boost. The 2018 Plus are 12 to 1 motors from the factory, so don't really want to get too greedy on pump gas, so we richened it up a little bit. Well, Rob richened it up a little bit and took, I believe, about a degree of timing out of it up top. You know, we can get away with a little bit of stuff on the dyno because it's, you know, it's over in a split second, out on the highway, something like that, a longer pull in Mexico. You don't want to do that. Well, long life for this thing until he decides to put E85 in it, you know, put the Lord's fuel in it and crank this thing up, make 1,000. But it's all set for that. And we'd actually done oil pump gears and a crank sprocket on this car before he ordered the Procharger from us. He'd, you know, kind of done his due diligence and done some pre-work. So after that pull, we made 705 and 526. So, I mean, you know, sacrificed about 20 horse and right at about 20 foot-pounds of torque. So what that's going to do, I mean, you know, lowering your peak torque, stuff like that. It's going to be less stress on the engine, just less prone to knock and stuff on that. If, you know, 93 octane's kind of hit or miss, we normally try to stay with Shell, V-Power, Nitro 93, whatever they call it now. They're 93. It seems to work best for us, but, you know, gas is different all over the place. I've saw some cars show up with 93 and act like 87. It's just kind of whatever it comes up to. But you know, just wanted to throw something out here. Just a quick video, just, you know, showing one of our tuner packages that we sell. I mean, we can sell them. Don't always have to install them, but still get great results. So any of that stuff you're interested in, you know, email us. We can be happy to get you a quote on that kit. You know, it starts off, I should have probably got this ready for the video. I'll post it down in the description, kind of what this similar kit would cost you to buy. Then, you know, we go up from there. You know, you want to put fuel system, whatever. But this is just basically kind of like your little stepping stone. Then we can go all the way up here. You know, you want 1300 to the tire? Make that happen. But it's a little more involved, a little more cheese, you know, that type of stuff. But hope you guys have a great week. Enjoy this video, and if you would please consider hitting that little subscribe button thingy over here somewhere. I don't know where it's at. It's over there. Comment, like, share, all that good stuff. See you guys on the next one.